So we always clean all the stuff directly in the green basket. It's not here now. Where's the green basket? Should be there. Where is it? What the fuck? Why is there? Where should it be?
Never there, please.
Never there, please. It should be here, and then we can wash the stuff directly in the clean kitchen policy. Nothing should stay in the kitchen, especially not when there are fruit remains in, because then all the fruit flies come and enter. So we have a clean kitchen policy. Yes. Yeah.
So pharmacy closet, never leave open.
Why? Yeah.
Always close the fridge properly.
Otherwise it peeps. Beep, beep. Never leave this open as well. Always close it. Otherwise the hinges get fucked. All these things always closed. Otherwise hinges fucked. Bang. Also fridge. Otherwise beep beep beep. Bang.
It needs to be closed well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If you cook, always turn it on. Just
And,
press here.
and never put it back like this up, because then it cannot be opened again. So keep it always out.
Okay, so this fridge also always close it. This door normally goes like this and then it doesn't close properly. See? So you always have to do this. Bang, bang, done.
Okay. Always clean the sieve here. Very important.
Otherwise it gets stuck in the pipes. Pipes are very ancient.
Yo.
Yeah, never leave the hot water on for just a couple seconds. Always leave it in for a bit, fill in the bucket. Yeah.
Always turn off the lights when you leave the room.
Yeah.
So if you use tools or anything, always put it back in its place.
Okay, so when you go to the chill room, you always put your shoes out, and then you go, because this meditation room, we want to have it pristine. Don't leave your own stuff here, like shoes and socks and all that stuff.
Okay, so preferably always use the bio toilet. Want to poop, want to pee, always use the bio toilet. Here, if there is no paper, you go and refill. If this is full, take responsibility of bringing it out,
Like now?
like now. And if the bucket is also full,
Like now? No.
like not now, then you ask for help from someone and you move it to the poop path.
Here's the poop path, and there's the poop trench. There it should be thrown in that trench. Yeah.
And always throw in the wood chips inside the bucket after you are done with your...
On the poop, so that it doesn't stink.
Yes, and
Okay, in the shower.
no shaving, no long hair washing, please. Otherwise, this gets stuck.
You can always do it outside.
Yes. If for some reason you use the toilet, never throw in paper inside.
Put it in a little basket.
Okay, after you're done showering, always put this on. Just press on, click on the timer, set for 1 hour, let it go. If there is a red light, means that the reservoir is full, so please empty it out. In the bathroom, you can choose a towel, and then please always keep this towel in your bedroom. Don't leave it laying around, because then no one knows whose towel is it.
Whose towel is that?
No idea.